Wednesday, Cambridge is mandating face masks in public. The emergency order requires everyone over the age of 5 to use face coverings. Violators could be fined $300. The city will also begin allowing restaurants to sell groceries to help offset the money they've lost during the shutdown. Somerville will also enforce a strict new order that requires face masks there. The city will also fine people who don't follow that order. And as Katie Brace reports, it comes as the city is also expanding free testing.
The city of Somerville is hardening its stance in the fight against coronavirus. Now, anyone over the age of 2 not wearing a face covering or mask faces a $300 fine. Even with no one around, masks still covered the faces of most in Somerville.
I think that we need to protect everyone in our community.
Effective Wednesday, masks or facial coverings are required at all indoor and outdoor public spaces or face a fine. Allison Bland thinks it's an important message as long as there's outreach.
I also, want to make sure that everyone has access to masks and including people who are more vulnerable in our communities.
Mayor Joseph Curtatone emphasizes fines are for folks refusing to cover their face. The city will continue distributing masks to anyone needing one.
We're doing everything we can to interrupt the transmission of the virus.
Somerville is the most densely populated city in New England with 80,000 residents and about 4 square miles.
We cannot get ahead of this virus unless everybody, and I mean everybody, is tested.
The city is opening up COVID-19 testing to everyone, regardless of insurance or immigration status. Somerville Hospital will host pre-registered drive-up testing. They just received 3,500 tests with assurances there are more to come.
We absolutely must get back to a more social and connected world, but when we do, we've got to make sure we're taking better care of each other.
The city has had 532 cases of coronavirus. 182 people have recovered. 6 have died. There is a 1-week grace period before the city starts fining people. In Somerville, Katie Brace, WBZ News.
Katie, thank you.